Bill Merk, the parts clerk.
Actually, I'm the parts manager.
Hi everybody, Bill Merk, the parts clerk. Talking about a good new old subject. Who's the #1 tire manufacturer in the world? It's certainly not who you think they are. Michelin, Bridgestone, they're up there. But let me just show you. Lego! Crazy talk. Lego, 318 million tires a year. Half of every Lego toy set gets tires in it, starting in 1967. That's older than some of you. But they're all different sizes and shapes and mostly rounded rubber. Why do I care about Lego? Well, here at Toyota Tri-Cities, in October, we're having a special buy 3, get 1 for $1 tire event, and we're trying to surpass Lego. But we need your help. Come on down. Mark Sherman was kind enough to let me borrow some of his Legos, but this is just a smattering. Kelly Coyle has 100 times this, and don't even get me talking about Stevie Schumacher. That guy's got Legos beyond belief. But we still want to outsell everybody on tires. So come see us, buy 3, get 1 for $1. I'm sure there's somebody helping me out with that idea around here. So come see us, Toyota Tri-Cities, 6321 Canal Drive, Kennewick.